I represent professionals in the securities, commodity futures, and other financial markets practice areas. I'm probably one of the only people who feels that they were ordained to do what they do. My mother was a law school contemporary of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. My father opened up a broker-dealer investment banking firm on Wall Street in August of 1945 when he was discharged from the U.S. Army at the close of World War II. And I grew up in the back office of my dad's firm. So I've kind of been doing this my whole life. I tend to get involved with the broadest range of business legal issues that confront my clients. They're all subject to pervasive government regulation. And dealing with that regulation drives all of our representation. And it may be helping a fund sponsor or manager figure out how to get in business with the least amount of government regulatory interference. It may be a broker-dealer dealing with a regulatory investigation, and anything in between. So I don't see myself as a litigator. I don't see myself as a transactional lawyer. You might call me a regulatory lawyer, but I kind of get into all aspects of the law as it relates to this narrow band of clients and legal issues. In servicing a client, the first thing I want to do is get to know them. And I think this dates all the way back to my days as a regulator and later as an in-house attorney, where the issue was, who is the client really? What do they do? What's important to them? And how do they conduct their business? So for me, with many clients, if possible, I will actually spend a day or the better part of a day in their offices, getting to know them, seeing who they are, who they work with, how they conduct their business. And that helps me in trying to plan how we're going to represent a given client in an issue that comes up. Being surrounded with wonderful professionals who are all generally just such nice people has made practicing law here at Duane Morris just a wonderful experience for me.